afford.
Okay.
E ore na ng Xavier University lo cover e cost ng inanang pa e animalitos nang pa e
Nice.
donyo nang e asininang ko anang como estudiante por loop may tambe durante e processo.
Okay, nice. Anto, que dia é walk aqui luta?
Ito dia 25 de October é solamente 35 florin dos
Okay, nice.
$20.
Yes.
Você pode passar a registrar-se conosco na Mary Joan Foundation, situada na Caia Appeldam número 2. Ou você pode mandar-nos um e-mail na maryjoanfoundationaruba@gmail.com ou chama-nos na 588-9999. Manda-nos um WhatsApp também na 5940919. E
Yes.
assim nós mandamos um link e bota registrar, bota paga e bota passa Mary Joan, busca bota t-shirt, boca chota hay bandana também.
Ai, cute.
Desde vai estar super e Zaikaya também explica você não, porque nós tem prêmio para ekachonan também. The
Okay,
categories
wow.
for the dogs.
Oh, yes. So we have a lot of door prizes. We have some amazing sponsors such as Wendy's and MedStar, Purina, Annie Ann's, Cinnabon, the list goes on. But some of the categories are the most pink. So if you dye your dog, we want to see that. We want to see best dress. We want to see the dog owner lookalike. So if you guys come as twins, that's going to be cute to see. The largest dog, the smallest dog, the zoomiest champion, because they always try to be first, right? The barkiest, because we know that's definitely going to be loud out there. And then the most friendliest and things like that. So we are looking for this to be a wonderful event for everybody. You do not have to have a dog to participate. I know a lot of people question, do I have to bring a dog? No, you can come out there and support, be a spectator.
Nice.
As well.
Or dress up as a
Or
dog.
dress up as a dog. Most creative. Yeah,
Right,
we have that.
see?
Yeah, see, there you go. The wheels are turning. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna do a bunch of giveaways. Like I said, it's gonna be a fantastic event. I know it's the first of our ever collaboration, our first event ever as the vet program at Xavier University is a new program, but also our veterinary group is a new program. So I just want to let everybody know how excited we are about
Nice.
this, and just want everybody to come out October 25th, 7 a.m. at Bush Ribana Gold Mines, and enjoy.
How many K is this walk gonna be actually? 5K, okay. George, you have a dog,
Yes, but I'm not sure if he can make it.
but then you can carry him.
You can carry him.
Then I'm not sure if I can make it.
Nowadays I see dogs in strollers.
Yeah, exactly.
So how about you get
In
a
your
stroller?
backpack.
Exactly. Or in your
Backpack.
No
backpack.
Yeah.
excuses. No
Exactly.
excuses.
Gotta
Your
think
hair is
about it.
already blonde, so all you need to do is make it pink.
There you go.
And then make
See?
Louis
She has
pink as
all
well.
the
Yeah, I
ideas.
have the idea. So if you're gonna do it, let me
Dasli
know.
will help you.
Yes.
You can borrow Louis. You can do it, Louis.
You can borrow it.
No. I'll be like on the side with you, but I won't be borrowing. And what time is this walk gonna start?
7 a.m.
7 a.m. Okay, it's
Yes.
7 a.m., 35 Florence. We can buy the tickets then at Mary Joan Foundation, but
Yes.
also at Xavier University.
Just through Mary Joan.
Just through Mary Joan.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. Nice. What else? What other updates do you have for us for this event? What can we expect?
So I think that Nen said it best, that we are splitting the funds to help owners that have a pet that may need major surgery, like a broken leg or heart surgery or anything like that, as well as any extreme illnesses that kind of carry on for like a couple weeks or something like that. But the thought of it all was to be able to incorporate us as veterinary students to be able to follow the care, so we can still be learning. Everybody kind of benefits in the same way. The business benefits because we're going to be working with the clinics, the owner, of course, if they have that financial need, of course the pet, and then us as well. So that's where the gist of it all came from.
Nice.
Nice.
All right. Thank you. I mean, I think everybody has all the info that they need as well for this event. It's going to take place on the 25th of October. Bosa escucha, 25 de October, Shetori Mainta. Bono Mr. Binko Bocacho, pero Sibotine. Join, hasi fun. Bosa por by matching, bosa por dress up.
Yes.
Everything no ting premium ng tambe pa kacho ng owners ng itura sa kilobay pa bong causa tambe dus no fire dia aqui. Ito mostrarmi algo super leuk tambe. Busca po tickets na Mary Joan Foundation of subi ng Facebook page pa mas impormasyon di email, number, turcos pa sina tambe po por participar.
Yes, thank you guys. Assim na mesmo, vamos subir sa Turcote. Salidas, nós guarda bos na dia 25.
Yes.
Bos vou passar com nós também na Mary Joan Foundation, kaya Appeldam número 2. Nós abri de 9 pa 4 de tarde, janina pa de pierna. Forma um grupo, join nos, você tá pa bom causa.
E me dio uma pergunta. Eta